This is question number 4 for Skies Over Sweetwater, and it says, which event initiates the rising action of the excerpt? And so I know from the plot diagram that the rising action is where the problem starts. And so this question is asking me which event or thing in the story starts the problem. And so I know that the problem from my other question was about wanting to belong. And so it's asking where do we start to learn as the reader about this problem that she has, that she doesn't feel like she fits in. And where we really learn about that is when she starts to describe the kind of person that she wants to be. And so she talks about in paragraph 6, the book, and she talks about in paragraph 7, the fearless women that she admires. And then through that conversation, it brings us back to when she read this book at home and how she was treated when she read this book at home. So we understand more through this book and through learning about how she read this book at home in secret that wasn't accepted for who she was at home. And so now I'm going to go to my answer choices and see what I can find. Answer choice F says the girl's bird that they have reached Texas. So yes, that's bringing her closer to potentially people, but that's towards the end of the story. That doesn't start the problem. The girl on the train notices the book Bird is reading, because that book is about pilots, and Bird wants to belong with people like pilots. And it's through noticing this book that they start to have a conversation back and forth about that gets us to understand more about who Bird is and what she wants to be. Bird is assisted by the conductor at the start of the trip. He's just helping her with her luggage. That's a very minute detail, and it's certainly not tied to the problem of belonging. Bird falls asleep while reading her favorite book. Yes, she falls asleep, but that has nothing to do with wanting to belong. That doesn't start the problem of wanting to belong.